Hello guys, I'm filming the Goodman and the furnace, and I will come back to the Goodman. The grass is wet. I'll be going into the pool. I'll bring my GoPro with me. Here it is at night. Nice looking unit. No, hasn't ran today. So there's the Ducane. It was running a lot earlier today. And then back here's the Goodman. Well, I actually can't go up to it. I did get busted once. There's the chimney right there. Now I'm gonna go find the furnace because people are yelling. No more stats. Yeah, Mila. Get her. You're so bad.
Hey, Mila.
Don't do that. And I'm going to head to the furnace. It's so freaking dark. Good thing I hit the lights. It looks white, but it's actually yellow here. I did make a traffic light video today. And a broken green light. My mom texted Dad about it. And here's the furnace. Pretty nice. My bad. It's dark. Sorry about that. Line sets. Sorry that you can't really see anything. Now I'm gonna head back upstairs to the Goodman. And I will walk up there. My cat loves to go outside. Hello, Mies. Good thing Mila's over there. Here's the Goodman again. There's a little shot of it. I did make a partial startup video of it. Sorry about the blurs on the screen. Almost 9 p.m. I'll be going in the pool right after this video. I'm in my normal clothes right now. 8:59 p.m. The Ducane again. I'm sorry that I said the ch sound. There's a bird, a woman. Hey birdie. I'm not going to go chase at it because, you know, I love chasing birds. Oh, there's its bird friend. Still 8:59. (9 p.m.) There's the moon. Ducane. Well. Warwell. Wilson's Warwell's Ltd. Stouffville. 905-640-3969. (9:01 p.m. now. Boxes are out. I'm kind of surprised that the street lamp isn't even on. It's June 15th, 2024. There's something that I'm not going to touch. Don't touch those things, guys. Well, there's a pipe thingy right here. Releases out water. The gas meter, like for the air conditioner. You can tell it's a straight cool unit. I'll show you the straight cool. I'll tell you how it's a straight cool. There's very rarely any heat pumps here in Canada. This is in Durham region. That's Ontario. Oshawa's up that way. I'll show you where a good spot to find out where it's going. It's a straight cool. Well, or I'm gonna have to wait till it turns on for the night. I don't know. Blade in the way. One, two, three blades. That Ducane over there has 3 blades too. They look just like this one's. They look just like this one's. I better end this video. It's late now. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out.